Hello, I am with Seed System Solution, and in this video, I will guide you through the process of creating a vendor return payment. If you do not see any of the options referenced in this video, please contact an admin user within your organization for assistance. To create a vendor return payment, you can go to the menu, the vendors section. You can click OK to view your entire vendor list or search for a vendor. Enter the vendor clicking on the vendor ID number. Go to the Transactions tab, select the plus, and then select Return Payment. You do also have the option from within a vendor credit memo. Under the hamburger menu, there is a vendor return payment option. Once within the vendor return or vendor payment, you're going to enter your check number from the vendor, the date that you're receiving it, the type of payment that it is, and the payment amount or the check amount. Once that is entered, it will show you the available amount still to apply. Your accounts that are over here have defaulted based on your system settings. They can be changed using the magnifying glass, as well as you can enter any notes. You will then see a list of your open vendor credit memos that you can apply this payment against. What you're going to do is select the box next to it. It's going to apply that against, and then now that payment will be available to add to a deposit. You can leave the vendor credit memo or the payment or the vendor by using the back logo. If you have any questions about Seed System Solution, please reference our other training videos, email us at grow@seedsystem.co, or register for one of our free monthly Seed System Support Zoom meetings.